Akili, 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 Akili.
Today, Bush Baby wants to create something special. Look at that! I think you can make something just as beautiful as the flower. Bush Baby, how would you like to start? Oh, that's a great idea, Bush Baby. You can make a flower with your colorful papers. Take a look at the flower. Can you see a shape that looks familiar?
Circle!
What?
Exactly! How do you want to make circles? Okay, that's a good idea. You can cut circles, but I think you'll have to draw first so you know where you're cutting. Wow, Bush Baby! You really know how to draw good circles. Now to the hard part. Let's cut exactly where you have drawn the circles. Slowly. Oh my, well done, Bush Baby. Now you can make your flower. That looks pretty, Bush Baby. But are you sure it looks like a flower? I think you might want to start by choosing what color you want to have in the middle. That's a good color. Put it in front of you. Yes, well done. Now take a look at the flower outside. Yes, that's good. And the next one? Well done! If you continue like this, your flower will look just like the one outside. Now that is starting to look like a flower, Bush Baby. You only have 2 circles left. Wow, look at that! It looks just like the flower outside. You're the best, Bush Baby.
Help your toddler strengthen their mind with Akili's Find the Pair game. By trying to match picture cards, your toddler will improve their observation skills and develop persistence. Designed with kids in mind, Find the Pair is the perfect game to keep your child entertained while developing new skills. With 8 levels of difficulty, your child will never get bored and will always have new challenges to learn from. Plus, no reading or language skills are required to enjoy the game. Download Find the Pair for free today on the Play Store. Learn and play with Akili!